What's up, creators? Cool here from Authority Videos AI. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you exactly how I built Mira Solis and Zrock, two AI fitness influencers who generate incredible content and have the potential to make money 24/7, all without filming a single video. No gym sessions, no photo shoots, no editing skills needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint to create your own AI influencer brand, step by step, from avatar creation to viral content to monetization. And if you're wondering, does this actually work? Let me show you the proof. Lil Miquela, 3M plus followers, brand deals with Prada and Samsung. Emma collaborates with Dior, Porsche, and luxury brands. AI Angelica built a brand using AI-generated visuals. These influencers aren't real, but their income is. The AI creator economy is already happening, and today I'll show you how to build your own AI fitness influencer channel. The first step, creating an AI avatar. Instead of filming myself, I designed two AI fitness personalities using the Authority Videos avatar by Prompt Tool. Here's how I did it. How I created Mira Solis, yoga influencer. 1. Open the avatar by Prompt Tool on authorityvideos.com. 2. Typed in this detailed prompt. A serene yoga instructor practicing on a sunlit beach, wearing pastel activewear, exuding calm and focus with soft ocean waves in the background. 3. Selected realistic style for a lifelike yoga persona. 4. Hit generate. In seconds, Mira Solis was born, ready to share yoga wisdom and wellness inspiration. How I created Zrock, fitness influencer. 1. Opened the avatar by Prompt Tool again. 2. Typed in this high-energy fitness prompt. A muscular fitness coach lifting heavy dumbbells in a futuristic gym, wearing a sweat-soaked compression shirt under neon lights with a determined expression. 3. Selected dynamic style for an action-packed fitness look. 4. Hit generate. And just like that, Zrock became a fitness powerhouse, built to motivate and engage. Use detailed prompts with specific settings, outfits, and emotional tones for the best results. Now that I had my AI influencers, the next step was creating viral content, and here's where the magic happens. Authority Videos can generate not just images, but full viral videos. To make sure Mira Solis and Zrock had a strong visual presence, I generated 3 stunning images plus 1 viral video for each. Here's how. Mira Solis, AI yoga and wellness influencer. For Mira, I wanted images that capture peace, balance, and natural beauty. Here are the exact prompts I used. Mira Solis. 3. AI generated images. 1. Yoga flow at sunrise. Mira Solis gracefully performing the tree pose on a beach at sunrise, wearing pastel activewear with soft ocean waves in the background, a calm and peaceful expression. 2. Guided meditation session. Mira Solis sitting cross-legged in a tranquil forest, eyes closed, guiding an online meditation session surrounded by soft sunlight filtering through the trees. 3. Luxury yoga retreat. Setting Mira Solis standing on a wooden deck overlooking a tropical jungle, stretching in a yoga pose, wearing a flowing white outfit, exuding serenity and wellness. These images immediately give Mira credibility as a yoga and wellness coach, setting her up for massive engagement on social media. Mira Solis AI-generated viral video. Prompt for a scroll-stopping yoga reel. Create a fitness influencer video with 3 scenes. 1. Mira Solis doing yoga on the beach at sunrise. 2. Mira guiding a peaceful meditation session in a forest. 3. Mira leading an online yoga class with a warm, inviting expression. In seconds, I had a professional, high-quality yoga influencer video without filming a thing. Mira flowing through a yoga routine with golden sunrise lighting. Mira in a meditative pose, peaceful energy radiating through the forest. Mira guiding a yoga class, her voice calm and inviting. Cool. This is exactly what top yoga influencers post, except this was 100% AI generated. Zrock, AI fitness powerhouse influencer. For Zrock, I needed images that scream power, intensity, and motivation. Here's what I created. Zrock's 3 AI generated images. 1. Weightlifting power pose. Zrock mid-rep, lifting heavy dumbbells in a high-tech gym, wearing a tight compression shirt, sweat glistening under neon blue lights, focused and intense expression. 2. Outdoor endurance training. Zrock sprinting up a mountain trail at sunrise, muscles flexed, looking determined, the mist rising from the valley behind him, dynamic motion captured mid-stride. 3. High-intensity boxing workout. Zrock in a dimly lit boxing gym, shirtless, shadowboxing in front of a punching bag, sweat flying as he lands a powerful punch, neon backlights emphasizing his strength. With just these 3 images, Zrock looks like a professional fitness coach ready to go viral. Prompt. For a high-energy fitness reel, create a high-energy fitness influencer video with 3 scenes. 1. Zrock lifting heavy weights in a futuristic gym. 2. Zrock sprinting up a mountain trail at sunrise. 3. Zrock shadowboxing with sweat flying under bright gym lights. In just seconds, Zrock's reel looked like a Nike commercial, except it was 100% AI generated. Zrock pushing through an intense dumbbell workout under neon lights. Zrock sprinting up a mountain trail captured mid-motion. Zrock shadowboxing with raw intensity. Sweat glistening under gym lights. Fitness brands would pay serious money for content like this, and it was created in minutes. Now that I had stunning images and videos for Mira Solis and Zrock, it was time to scale up and automate content creation so the brand could grow on autopilot. Instead of generating content one piece at a time, I batched 30 to 50 pieces in one go. This gave me a full month's worth of content in just a few hours. Use the Use My Avatar tab in Authority Videos AI. Generate 50 AI images of different workouts, yoga flows, and fitness motivation. Generate 8 to 12 AI story videos, 1 per week for Reels. Organize the content into a posting calendar for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This method saves hours of work, ensures daily posts, and helps grow followers faster because consistency is everything in social media. With my content ready, the next step was automating social media growth. I didn't want to spend hours posting every day, so here's how I scheduled everything out. Instagram and Facebook 1 to 3 AI generated images reels per day. TikTok high energy AI fitness reels 3 to 5 times per week. YouTube Shorts repurpose AI reels into 15-30-sec fitness clips. Pinterest and Twitter daily AI generated fitness motivation posts. With this system in place, my AI fitness influencers were posting every day, even while I was asleep. Okay, now for the fun part, turning AI fitness content into cash flow. Here's how Mira Solis and Zrock were set up for passive income. Affiliate marketing, the easiest passive income stream. Promote fitness gear, supplements, and wellness products. Earn commissions on every sale. Best affiliate programs for fitness and wellness. Influencers, Amazon Associates, yoga mats, resistance bands, supplements. Nike and Gymshark affiliate programs, activewear, sneakers. My Protein and Transparent Labs, high-ticket fitness supplements. ClickBank and Digistore 24, digital workout and diet programs. How I set it up. added affiliate links in Instagram and TikTok bios, posted what I use content featuring AI-generated product recommendations, created a Mira Solis Yoga Essentials PDF with clickable links to products. This is 100% passive. Once the content is out there, it keeps earning commissions without extra work. AI-generated merch and print on demand, sell AI-generated fitness merch, workout guides, and digital products. Best ways to sell fitness AI merch, print on demand t-shirts and hoodies, AI-generated fitness quotes and designs, yoga and fitness journals, create and sell digital planners, workout and meal plans, AI-generated custom programs and challenges, how I set it up, used AI to create Train Likes Rock, activewear designs, designed a 30-day yoga reset ebook with Mira Solis branding, linked my merch store in bio, and posted AI-generated promotional content. Imagine selling AI-generated fitness gear while your AI influencer keeps posting 24/7 paid brand collaborations and sponsorships. Get paid by brands to feature their fitness products and services. How to get sponsored. Grow to 10K plus followers. This is when brands start paying for exposure. Use a bio link page. Include a media kit plus contact form for sponsorships. DM fitness brands and send AI generated sample posts. Show them what your AI influencer can do. The best part? AI influencers never get tired, so they can post every day while you get paid. Alright, let's put it all together. Here's exactly how I built Mira Solis and Zrock into AI fitness influencers, and how you can too. Train your AI avatar. Use avatar by prompt to create a unique fitness personality. Generate AI content at scale, 30-50 images and 8-12 AI videos each month. Automate social media posting. Schedule 1 to 3 posts per day on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Monetize with affiliate marketing and merch. Promote fitness gear, sell digital products, and earn commissions. Land sponsorships and paid collaborations. Brands pay for exposure once you hit 10K plus followers. If you're ready to build your own AI fitness influencer and start growing your brand without filming a single video, head to authorityvideos.com and start today. The AI influencer revolution is here. Don't miss it. Create your AI fitness influencer now. authorityvideos.com